Pupunta kami ng Benlo, pero umulan ng yellow, so this is their first snow. Ninalablab. So look at the snow. Yes, this is December 2023. Look sa gasoline station, they're so excited. First time ng mga makakita ng yellow, ng snow. O diba? So excited sila. Ayan, they are playing in the snow. Don't worry, there's a lot of snow later. Ayan, first time kasi nila dito winter. Kaya mamaya maghahanap kami pa ng maraming snow. Pero na flat tire kami. Ayan, flat tire. So kailangan gawin muna ang tire namin. But si Sophia ay naglalaro sa snow. Well, Mark is making our tire. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng snow. Okay na ang flat tire namin. Pero may snow pa rin today. So thank you na thermal kami. Kahit punong-puno ng yelo. Ayan o, daming yelo, daming snow. Ang sarap-sarap maligo sa thermal with snow. Ayan, nice. Kapal ng snow pagdating namin sa bahay. Ayan, ang daming snow na. Oh, madaming snow all over. So ayan, driving with snow.